Good morning, friend. This is my flower in my house yard. So today I will take you to pick up the lamb fruit. Let's go. สวัสดีค่ะ ยามเช้ากับโบนะคะ วันนี้นี่คือดอกไม้บานชื่นที่สวนในบ้าน วันนี้จะพาไปเก็บมะนาวนะคะ The lamb fruit, and you can see many fruit are there. And now the rainy season, many lamb fruit, so they fall down. I will show you this morning. It's big. This one more big. And over there, not lamb fruit, is passion fruit. I will make a passion smoothie soon. Passion fruit. This is the lamb tree that I plant by seed. And I never trim the stem or the branch down. I just let them grow natural. So time to make lamb with honey and soda water. I will use lamb 1 ounce. This I use cyan, it's still not enough, so I squeeze more. Okay, and one seed is get inside. Okay, take the seed out. 1 ounce of lamb juice, then 20 milliliters of honey. Oh, my honey almost done. Okay, more. Okay, good, okay. And the nature cane syrup for 20 ml. Syrup 20 ml. Dump it. And you stir all the ingredients mix well, because need the honey to melt to be a liquid. Okay, it's good now. Dump into the blender. Then take 1 cup of ice. Dump it. And take water, soda or soda water, 100 ml. So I will use this one. glass. I will use 2 glass. So you see that I told you you have a blender that for making a smoothie. This is the problem. But I just make to drink for myself, so it's okay. And you decorate it. Use lime. Then you will have lime with honey and water soda smoothie. Thank you for keep watching until I'm done make smoothie lime. I hope you enjoy it, and you can make if you have a lime in your how you can do homemade lime smoothie. It's good. Feel free to leave comment below, and stay safe and be healthy. I hope to see you in the next video, and if you want me to cook some more drinking for Thai fruit, you can recommend me. Bye bye. Hope to see you in the next video. สวัสดีค่ะ